The Huawei Mate XT, innovation over imitation, is a pioneering device that redefines smartphone technology with its innovative trifold design. Design and build. The Mate XT is distinguished by its trifold mechanism, enabling it to transition from a standard 6.4-inch smartphone to a 10.2-inch tablet. This adaptability makes it highly versatile, suitable for both everyday tasks and more complex productivity needs. The device is remarkably thin, measuring 3.6 mm when unfolded and 12.8 mm when folded, ensuring comfortable handling despite its size. Display. The Mate XT offers 3 display configurations: 6.4-inch cover screen for typical smartphone use, 7.9-inch dual-fold screen for an enhanced viewing experience, 10.2-inch trifold screen for tablet-like functionality. The LTPO OLED display is vibrant and bright, featuring a resolution of 3184 by 2232 pixels and a 90 Hz refresh rate, making it ideal for media consumption. Performance. Equipped with the Kirin 9010 chipset and the Malone 910 GPU, the Mate XT delivers robust performance. It efficiently handles multitasking and demanding applications, ensuring a seamless user experience. Camera. The camera system includes a 50MP main camera, a 12MP periscope zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. This versatile setup allows for high-quality photos and videos in various conditions. Battery life. The device is powered by a 5400 mAh battery, supporting 66W wired and 50W wireless charging. This ensures that the Mate XT can sustain heavy usage throughout the day. Build and usability. Despite its complex design, the Mate XT feels refined and sturdy. The hinges are smooth, and the device is comfortable to hold, even when fully unfolded. Pros. Innovative design. The trifold mechanism allows the Mate XT to transform from a standard 6.4-inch smartphone to a 10.2-inch tablet, offering great versatility. Display quality. The LTPO OLED display is vivid and bright, making it excellent for media consumption. Performance. Powered by the Kirin 9010 chip, it delivers strong performance for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. Camera. The 50MP main camera, along with a 12MP periscope zoom and 12MP ultra-wide lens, provides a versatile and high-quality photography experience. Battery and charging. With a 5400 mAh battery and support for 66W wired and 50W wireless charging, it offers good battery life and fast charging options. Cons. Weight and thickness. At nearly 300 grams, it is heavier than most smartphones, and its thickness when folded, 12.8 mm, might be cumbersome for some users. Screen crease. The screen crease is noticeable, which can be a distraction during use. No Google services. Due to ongoing restrictions, the Mate XT does not come with Google mobile services. Price. As with many foldable devices, the Mate XT comes with a high price tag, making it a significant investment. Conclusion. The Huawei Mate XT is a remarkable device that redefines what a smartphone can be. Its trifold design, powerful performance, and versatile display options make it a standout choice for those looking to combine the functionality of a phone and a tablet in one device. While it may be on the heavier side and require two-handed use when fully unfolded, its innovative features and premium build quality make it a compelling option for tech enthusiasts and productivity-focused users alike. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and share my video.